This video will walk you through the basic steps to permanently delete your Facebook account. We'll keep it straightforward and easy to follow. Before we start, it's a good idea to download a copy of your information if you want to keep any photos, videos, or posts. You can find this option in your Facebook settings. Let's begin with the process on the Facebook mobile application. Open the app and tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. And select Settings. Scroll down and locate Personal Details. Again, select Personal Details, tap on Account Ownership and Control. Here you'll see the option Deactivation or Deletion. Select your Facebook profile. You will then be presented with two options, Deactivate Account and Delete Account. Choose Delete Account and tap Continue. Facebook will ask for a reason for deleting your account. Select the most relevant option and tap Continue. Finally, you will be prompted to re-enter your password to confirm the deletion. Once you've entered your password, tap Delete Account. A confirmation message will appear, reiterating the permanent nature of this action. Confirm your decision, and the deletion process will begin. Keep in mind that Facebook usually has a 30-day grace period. If you log back in during this time, your deletion request will be canceled. And that's the basic process for deleting your Facebook account. If you found this helpful, give it a like. Thanks for watching.